The little dragon's magical sneezes. Tiny the dragon had a cold. Achoo, he sneezed, and, poof, a pink cloud floated out of his nose. Wow, said Tiny. That's not normal. Tiny sneezed again. Achoo. A blue cloud appeared. Then a green one. Soon, the sky was filled with colorful, puffy clouds. The kingdom looked magical. People in the village looked up. What a beautiful sky, they cheered. The baker laughed. The pink clouds smell like strawberries. But then achoo, Tiny sneezed a giant purple cloud. It landed on the castle. Oh no! The king's garden is covered in fluff. Tiny felt bad. I didn't mean to make a mess. The villager smiled. Your clouds are soft and warm. Maybe they can help us. The farmers used Tiny's fluffy clouds to keep their crops warm. The children made cloud pillows. Even the king's garden looked like a fairy tale. The king called Tiny. Your sneezes bring joy. Can you make more clouds for the festival? Tiny grinned. I'll try, Your Majesty. At the festival, Tiny sneezed colorful clouds on purpose. Achoo! A golden cloud sparkled in the sky. Wow, cheered the crowd. Soon, Tiny's cold was gone. No more sneezes, no more clouds. I'll miss my magic sneezes, he sighed. But I'm happy I helped. The king gave Tiny a golden scarf. To remember your magical sneezes. Tiny smiled. Even without sneezes, he would always be special. The end.